In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from Bybit to bank account. First, open the Bybit application on your mobile device, then tap on Assets. Here you will see where your assets are located. Upon opening your spot account, you will notice that currency equity is in USDT and Bitcoin. As USDT cannot be withdrawn directly, you will need to sell it first. Tap on Sell to proceed with selling your USDT. Next, return to Assets. Click on Transfer to move funds to the funding account for withdrawal. Select the funding account and choose 2 as coins. Enter the amount and click Confirm. Now return and click on Withdraw. You can see euros in the funding account and enter the withdrawal amount. Click Max and select the appropriate spot transfer. Proceed by clicking Continue. If you haven't added your bank account yet, you will have the option to do so here. Tick the box and click Continue. You will need to undergo security verification by sending the code to your email and filling it in. Enter the Google two-factor authentication code if enabled. After completing these steps, it will process the withdrawal, taking 1 to 3 working days. This is how you can withdraw from Bybit to a bank account. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Bybit. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.